Most men don't realize how much power their hands actually hold when it comes to a woman's pleasure. With the right moves, fingers alone can bring some women to orgasm. Why? Because fingers are flexible. They can bend, adjust angles, vary pressure, and move in ways no rigid object can. That's what makes them such precise tools when used with care. I'm Dr. Hannah Kim, a men's sexual health specialist. In this guide, I'll walk you through a respectful step-by-step method of using your hands so that your partner feels safe, appreciated, and deeply satisfied. There are two essentials that must always come first. Consent. Ask openly, "Do you want me to touch you here?" Keep communication active throughout. Preparation. Trim and smooth your nails. Wash your hands with warm water and soap, scrubbing under the nails. Remove rings or jewelry. Keep an unscented water-based lubricant nearby. Clean hands reduce the chance of micro-tears and infections. Lubricant makes every touch smoother and avoids unwanted friction. For women, arousal doesn't switch on instantly. It's a process that involves the whole body. Start far from the genitals. Kiss her lips, neck, collarbones, and arms. Run your hands slowly down her back and outer thighs. As you move closer to the inner thighs, slow your rhythm even more. With clothes still on, rest your palm gently over her vulva for a moment, then lift it away. Trace the edges of her underwear fabric with your fingers. This back and forth teasing increases blood flow to the clitoris, labia, and vaginal opening, making everything more responsive later. Start by touching over the underwear, then shift to bare skin once she agrees. Outline the outer lips and thighs with your fingertips. When she's comfortable, move to the inner lips. Avoid direct clitoral contact at first. Instead, trace around the hood with feather-light strokes. Imagine small circles, side motions, or oval patterns. Pay attention to her body language, her breathing, hip shifts, or quiet sounds. Those are your green lights. Every woman is unique, but most prefer steady, predictable patterns rather than random movements. Try circling slowly around the clitoral hood, moving from top to bottom and back again, or drawing small figure eights. If she likes more surface contact, use 2 fingers together. If she prefers focus, stick with 1 fingertip. Check in with short questions. Softer or firmer? Faster or slower? Higher or lower? Natural wetness is a sign of arousal, but it doesn't always mean she's ready for penetration. Ask first, "Do you want me inside?" If she says yes, add lubricant and start with 1 finger. Never insert dry. Glide slowly into the vaginal opening and pause so her muscles can relax. Use a gentle come here motion toward the front wall instead of quick thrusts. Fingers excel at pressure and angle, not speed. Explore a little up, down, left, and right. If she tenses, pause, withdraw slightly, or go back to external touch. About 1 to 2 inches inside on the belly side wall. The tissue often feels a little spongy. This area, sometimes called the G-spot region, becomes more noticeable with arousal. Curl your fingertip toward it with a slow beckoning motion. Begin lightly and increase pressure only if she asks for it or her body leans into it. Many women prefer steady, repeated strokes rather than strong ones. Use your other hand to hold her hip, caress her stomach, or continue clitoral stimulation with your thumb. Blended stimulation can be especially powerful. If she wants more fullness, twist slightly and slide in 2 lubricated fingers together. Keep them curved so they maintain contact with the front wall. Inside, use small arcs or come here motions, while your other hand continues stimulation around the clitoris. Small movements are often more effective than big ones. As her arousal increases, consistency matters more than force. As she gets closer to orgasm, her signals will grow stronger. Hips pushing against you, faster breathing, louder sounds, trembling thighs. When you find the pressure and pace she's riding, don't change it. If she says right there, treat it like a fixed point. Maintain that exact rhythm until she finishes. Many climaxes are lost when the stimulation shifts too soon. Variations many women enjoy. Hood strokes. Use 2 fingers in a V shape, sliding the clitoral hood gently up and down without direct exposure. Outer to inner wave. Glide from the outer thighs to the inner thighs to the labia, then back out again. This resets sensitivity. Pressure hold. Rest your warm palm over the vulva with gentle pressure. This is calming between peaks. Angle shift. Place a pillow under her hips to tilt the pelvis, making the front wall easier to reach. Short nails, clean hands, and lubricant are essential. If you move from anal touch back to vaginal touch, always wash thoroughly or change gloves. If she feels burning or pain, stop immediately. Add more lubricant and return to external touch. Sharp pain is always a no. Warm stretching may be fine, but only if she says so. After orgasm, keep touching gently, but reduce intensity as her body relaxes. Many women appreciate being held, stroked along the ribs, or having their hair caressed. Light thigh or belly massages can also be soothing. Offer her a glass of water. Later, ask one short question. What did you like most? That feedback is the real guidebook for next time. Not every woman orgasms from internal stimulation, and that's perfectly normal. Many prefer clitoral focus alone, while others enjoy a mix. The only way to know is to observe, ask, and listen. And remember, emotions matter. When a woman feels secure, admired, and unrushed, her blood flow improves, her muscles relax, and her pleasure increases. Your hands can be remarkable instruments when used with patience, precision, and care. If you found this guide useful, subscribe and share it with someone who values real, respectful intimacy advice. For men who want to support their own performance, certain natural supplements can help. 2 that I often recommend are watermelon extract, rich in citrine to support circulation and nitric oxide. An advanced formula combining tonga alley, fenugreek, nettle, and citrine. Designed to aid erections, stamina, testosterone, and prostate,